Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations with fractions. Solve each of the following equations. The first example is m over 2 plus m over 3 equals 10. Now all we have to do is look at these two denominators here and find the lowest number that these two will divide into. So the lowest number that these two will divide into is 6. So all we do is we multiply each side by 6. So that term, and that term are multiplied by 6. So we've done that here, and here, and here. So when we simplify that part there, we get 3m. Because 2 into 6 goes 3, 3 times m is 3m. Simplify that part here, you get 2m. 3 into 6 goes 2, 2 times m is 2m, and 10 sixes are 60. When we add those two together, that gives us 5m equals 60. If we divide both sides by 5, that gives us m equals 12. 5 12s are 60. And when you substitute 12 into here, and you simplify each term, you will get the answer of 10. Example 2. This is a little bit more involved, but the same principle applies. These two numbers here, they are the denominators, so we have to find the lowest number that these two will divide into, and that's obviously 12. So we multiply both sides by 12. So we've done that here, and here, and here. So each of these expressions or terms, each of these terms has been multiplied by 12. That keeps the equation balanced. So if 3 into 12 goes 4, that gives us 4 outside of m minus 1. If 4 into 12 goes 3, that gives us 3 outside of m plus 2. And 6 12s are 72. When we remove the grouping symbols, that's what we get here. When we simplify that expression, that gives us 7m plus 2. If we subtract 2 from both sides, it gives us 7m equals 70. And then we divide both sides by 7 to give us m equals 10. So this particular slide here has given us two examples, and we've seen how to solve two equations involving fractions. It's a very, very straightforward procedure.